Welcome to the journey through the historic and natural wonders of Hot Springs, Arkansas. Hi, it's Selina Felton, your host for American Dream TV. Join me as I explore the rich history, scenic hiking trails, and thrilling theme park that this charming city has to offer. Sitting today in one of the historic bathhouses rows. There's a collection of 8 of them, back all the way to the early 20th century. Wow, if these walls could talk, the original Sin City downtown boasted wide opening gambling and other illicit activities for nearly a century. It attracted notorious gangsters like Al Capone. There's also wine shops, restaurants, galleries, and nightclubs along the Central Avenue. Let's not forget about the hiking trails through luscious forests with opportunities to spot the wildlife. Well, hang on with me because next we are going to visit Magic Springs and have some more entertainment. Here we are at Magic Springs Theme Park. This is a premier facility destination that combines thrilling rides with a water park, live entertainment, and roller coasters. You can relax in the lazy rivers, and there's always something for everyone. Magic Springs offers a breathtaking views of the Wichita Mountains. There's a Crystal Falls water park featuring water slides, wave pool, and play areas for the kids. There's also live shows and concerts at the Timberwood Amphitheater. Thank you for joining me on this adventure. Whether you're a history buff, nature lover, or a thrill seeker, this city has something special for everyone. And if you are looking for a lavish retreat or a smart investment, Hot Springs, Arkansas has it all. Stay tuned for more exciting destinations to explore. Bye.